Mone Chiba is a Japanese figure skater competing in women's singles. She is one of Japan's top skaters, known for her elegant style, technical precision, and rapid rise in senior international competitions. She was born in the same prefecture as two-time Olympic champion Yuzuru Hanyu and has cited him as an inspiration, particularly his dedication to constant improvement. Chiba is prized for her maturity on the ice despite her young age, strong jumps, spins, and artistic expression. She has been work on building physical strength and aims to add more difficult elements like quadruple jumps. Her goal has been to reach the Olympics, which she achieved in 2026, and she continues to push for higher placement at world championships and beyond. As of early 2026, she remains a key figure in the deep Japanese women skating figure, balancing university studies with elite level training. She grew up idolizing Olympic gold medalist and Sendai hometown hero Yuzuru Hanyu. They met on the ice several times, and he was like a big brother for her before he moved away. Shiba began skating in 2010 and was coached by Shoshi Tanaka at the Sendai ice rink from the age of 6 to 18. She graduated from Tohoku High School and enrolled in Waseda University studying human science in March 2024.